name is Swati Dhangan. I hope you are fine. I'm also fine. So today I want to inform you that Indigo is again hiring candidates for cabin crews. Okay. Uh, Before some days ago they removed their vacancies. I don't know because of the COVID, but now they are again hiring candidates for cabin crews. Okay. So are you prepared for interview? So you must go because we don't know when they remove their vacancies, and you can go which is the near to your city. Okay, so I'm telling you guys vacancies. Okay, so you can go.indigo.param. Okay, this is official website. I already told you, and you can see here lot of vacancies: cabin crew Airbus, Kolkata, Chandigarh, cabin crew ATR. Interview is also hiring for ATR. You can see login to apply. Here you can apply for interview. Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. Location is Hyderabad, Chennai and Bangalore. Okay, cabin crew ATR. Okay, so you can see here cabin crew Airbus for Chandigarh, cabin crew Airbus for Kolkata, cabin crew Airbus for Gurgaon, cabin crew Airbus for Bangalore, cabin crew. Lot of vacancies. Okay, so you can see okay, so I am reading cabin crew Airbus Chandigarh, Friday, January 28, 2022, Friday, for Chandigarh. Location is Chandigarh. Here you can apply, login to register now. Time is 11 to 1 p.m. Okay, so you should go around 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. And second is cabin crew Airbus for Kolkata. Here time is 8 to 12 o'clock. Gurgaon for Gurgaon, cabin crew Airbus Gurgaon. Time is 9 to 12 o'clock. Okay, Monday, January 31st January 2022. Cabin crew Airbus, 9 to 12 o'clock. Okay, Monday, 31st January 2022. Okay, for Ahmedabad, cabin crew Airbus for Ahmedabad. Eligibility criteria. Okay, I am reading now. Female Indian nationals with Indian passport between 18 to 27 years of age. Okay, so your age is 18 to 27 years of age. Okay, and with Indian passport is mandatory, guys. Okay, and female Indian national with Indian passport between 18 to 27 years of age. Educational qualifications: passed 10+2 examination from a recognized board of university. Communication: fluency and clarity of speech in both English and Hindi respectively. Okay, English and Hindi आपको आना ही चाहिए. Height and weight minimum of 155 centimeters and weight proportionalized to BMI. आपका हाइट 155 होना चाहिए और आपके हाइट के अकॉर्डिंग आपका BMI होना चाहिए. ओके, BMI शुड 18 to 22 होना चाहिए. अगर आप उसके बीच में आते हो तो इट्स गुड. अगर आप उससे कम या आप उससे ज़्यादा आते हो, अगर आप उससे कम आते हो तो प्लीज़ वेट बढ़ाइए, और अगर आप उससे ज़्यादा आते हो तो प्लीज़ वेट कम करिए. एंड पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड वेल ग्रूम. नो टैटू शुड बी विजिबल वेल इन यूनिफॉर्म. अगर आपके हैंड में या आपके लेग में टैटू है या आपके नेक में टैटू है, सो यू कांट क्रैक इंटरव्यू. एंड रिक्वायरमेंट्स: on the assignment day, the candidate must come well prepared with complete knowledge of eligibility criteria, cabin crew profile and the company. Okay, The dress code is for the interview is a half sleeve skirt. हाफ स्लीव स्कर्ट होना चाहिए, नी लेंथ वेल फिटेड स्कर्ट एंड विथ कलर स्टॉकिंग, स्किन कलर स्टॉकिंग्स एंड विथ मेकअप. हाउएवर कैंडिडेट्स आर टेक एडिक्वेट. आप ब्लेजर भी पहन सकते हैं अगर वेदर के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके, इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी. Candidate must carry 2 passport size photographs, soft copy along with 1 hard copy or updated resume, and photocopies of 10th and 12th mark sheet from recognized board of university. Aadhaar card, PAN card and passport documents, दो passport size photographs and updated resume, 1 hard copy, 10 plus 12 mark sheet and Aadhaar card, PAN card and passport. Okay. Candidates are required to wear mask at all the time. Mask is important. Candidates are requested to download Arogya Setu app before entering the interview venue. Arogya Setu app download करके जाइए. And also most important that vaccination certificate. Okay, because now COVID time, so vaccination certificate is most important. Without vaccination certificate, you can't enter the hotel. So here you can check requirements and eligibility criteria and responsibilities. I already told you about this. So lot of vacancies, almost 30 vacancies. Okay, कितने सारे वैकेंसीज है मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कहाँ पे हैं. सो चंडीगढ़, कोलकाता, गुड़गांव, बेंगलुरु, बागडोरा, दार्जिलिंग, गैंगटॉक, मुंबई, हैदराबाद, गुवाहाटी, कोलकाता, लखनऊ, मुंबई, कोलकाता, पुणे, जयपुर, अहमदाबाद, कोलकाता, गुवाहाटी, बागडोरा, कोलकाता, चंडीगढ़. Okay, so you can see lot of vacancies. Okay, but I want to say something that don't think that I will go on last date. Okay, because it was a mistake that I went Mumbai interview. I am from Chhattisgarh and I went Mumbai interview, and it's very far. Okay, Chhattisgarh to Mumbai is very far. Okay, and I went Mumbai interview and I gave my first cabin crew interview, but I got rejected. And मैं उस टाइम पे ये सोच रही थी कि मैं वहाँ पे स्टे करूँगी और सारा इंटरव्यू, बिकॉज वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू हर वीक के बाद में था. ओके, एंड मैं ये सोचती थी कि वहाँ पे स्टे करूँगी, सारा इंटरव्यू दूंगी, एक नहीं तो क्रैक हो जाएगा. बट सडनली दे रिमूव्ड एंड इट्स टोटली वेस्ट. सो अगर आप प्रिपेयर्ड हैं, सो यू कैन गो, यू मस्ट गो, डोंट वेट फॉर लास्ट डेट. Okay, so you should go at least one time for experience. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe also my channel. And if you have doubts, so do comment in my comment box. Okay.